can't say I'm a very indecisive person. Siguro somewhere in between. But today, I will try to be more sure. Fashion is about... Please help a friend out. All I know is I want these pants for today. So marami akong mga prepare na pangtaas. Let me know, kailangan suot ko na siya after this video. Siguro just let me know if it turns out good or not. These are from COS. Very comfortable. If I'm not really sure kung ano yung buong outfit ko, at least I have to be sure about one thing. These pants for today. Tickle, tickle. We're meeting a K-drama superstar and I'm so excited. Again, my favorite pair of shoes, gifted by my Korean friends, Sis Miyara Yasuhiro. Sort of like an imperfect shape. There. Meron din akong sando from COS. Super comfortable and good quality. Boosh. Should probably tuck this in. Problem is, pag sobrang busog ka na, boosh. Patungan ko siya nito. Button-down shirt. You know, relax lang sana. This one, I don't have much in my closet. So we're working with what we have. Weakness ko kasi yung mix and matching. Parang cute. Kasi may times na cute siya, pero pag hapon na, hindi na siya cute. Or if I want to be more relaxed, indecisive nga siya. What if this song is in Tagalog? I feel like I just wanna be relaxed and move around. Looks good too. What do you think? Thinking of me? You're like a candy will. Sir. I feel more comfortable. Maybe fashion is about that.